Hi guys, so these three words in Spanish are tricky. I'm talking about two adverbs and one preposition. The two adverbs are antes, which is before, and después, which is after. And the preposition is durante, which is during. Antes, después, and durante. So let's first talk about antes and después. So here's the thing. Antes and después are followed by the preposition de when they are used to place an event in relation to a certain point in time. For saying something like, I visited my friend before the party, when it's before this event, or even before a certain time, we have to use the preposition de. So we'll say, visité a mi amiga antes de la fiesta. If we want to say before breakfast I always run in the park, we'll say antes del desayuno, siempre corro en el parque. As a reminder, in Spanish, when we have de plus el, we have to merge them, and we have to say del. That's a mandatory contraction. We always have to merge de and el and make it del. So, antes del desayuno, siempre corro en el parque. After the concert, we went to a restaurant. Same thing. Después del concierto, fuimos a un restaurante. And after 5, I never watched TV. Después de las 5, nunca miro televisión. And here is something important. When we place an event before or after an action, after running, like meaning a verb, after running, before eating, in Spanish we always use the infinitive form of the verb, so correr, comer, etc. For example, for saying, after having dinner we went to the park, we'll say, después de cenar fuimos al parque. In English we could say, after eating dinner, or we can say, after we ate dinner. In Spanish, none of those formulas work. We cannot say después de comiendo, which would be the literal translation of eating, or cenando in this case. We cannot say después de nosotros cenamos, after we ate dinner. We have to use the infinitive, después de cenar, fuimos al parque. Same thing for this one. Before running, or before I run, I never drink water. In Spanish, we'll have to use the infinitive, antes de correr, nunca bebo mucha agua. And here are a few of them chained together. So in English we would say something like, yesterday I went to the gym. After going to the gym, or after I went to the gym, I ate breakfast. After eating breakfast, or after I ate breakfast, I worked. After I worked, I went to the supermarket, etc. In Spanish, we have to use the infinitive. Ayer fui al gimnasio. Después de ir al gimnasio, desayuné. Después de desayunar, trabajé. Después de trabajar, fui al supermercado. Durante is a little bit different. It's a preposition, so it's used in a different way. It's never followed by de. We just say during something. So, miré la televisión durante la cena, like during dinner in this case. Or during breakfast, I never read the newspaper, literally. So, durante el desayuno, nunca leo el periódico. And durante cannot be used with verbs. We cannot say like during and a verb, like we did with antes de and después de. So we can't say durante cenar, that's not grammatical. We have to say durante la cena. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.